Hey guys, this is another video. This is actually just a workout video. So this is what I've been doing lately for the past few weeks. I start off with 4 sets of incline dumbbell press. I've changed my technique to where I only go 90 degrees because I was reading that's the max amount of force you can put on it. So I shot for 6 to 14 reps. I did this 14, so I have to move up the weight next time. Next I did some flat dumbbell bench press, and I was shooting for, again, 6 to 12 reps. I did this 10 times, but yeah, another 4 sets of these, and it's definitely important to have the right technique or else you're not going to be filling it. But yeah, then again, I don't go past the 90 degrees because after 90 you're pretty much putting too much strain and pressure on your joints and not so much on the muscle anymore. And then after this, I did some slightly inclined dumbbell flies. Now, I don't like doing flies really, but since I'm a beginner, I'm starting to put in isolation movements so that I can learn how to actually flex the muscles that I'm using. Because there's something called neurological efficiency, to where if you can't actually flex the muscle, it's kind of hard to take advantage of actually flexing it while you work the muscle in any different exercise. So I threw in 3 sets of these just to stimulate them. Actually, I did the other 2 sets on cables because I feel those a lot more in my chest and I can contract better in the middle. I then did a pretty intense tricep workout. I did 4 sets of this, and each one was a drop set. So I would do as many reps as I can. I was shooting in between anywhere from like 6 to 15, just until failure. I made sure I kept my elbows right next to my body, and I didn't try to lean into it too much because then again, you're just putting too much strain on your joints and stuff, and you're not actually getting the full workout in your triceps. But I dropped it from what it was to about 60% of that weight, and then I ripped that out again, anywhere from the 6 to 15 times. But this definitely gives you a big pump. But along with triceps, it's important to remember that most of your upper arm is triceps. So if you're trying to get big arms, it's definitely important that you focus on your triceps. I mean biceps also, but triceps are where the actual mass comes. But yeah, so I did this till failure, and it was a really good workout. And hope you enjoyed the video, and I will have another video soon. Thanks for watching.